You've heard talk of 5G, with all its complex ramifications and technical challenges. So you probably already know that it will enable entirely new applications. But if you're unclear on what Luxembourg's 5G rollout looks like, you're not alone. Let's break it down. Here's 5G in 5. 1. Assigned frequencies. There's essentially 3 of them: 700 MHz, 3.6 GHz, and 26 GHz. 2. Enable infrastructure in the form of regulations, easy access to a fiber optic network, and Tier 4 data centers. 3. Engage citizens by building transparency and public awareness around its impacts, challenges, and benefits. 4. Encourage innovation across 5G verticals in line with strategic priorities. 5. Test 5G via co-funding and support of pilot projects in strategic pioneering zones. Luxembourg is well on its way to checking off that list. Follow our progress and read the full 5G strategy online.